dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
To tell una say that result wey be say INEC announce, as we know the result, EU don talk say na 31% dey mathematically correct, meaning say that result wey dem give us for that very day, e no gel. As una see am for screen now, that EU report, they said the way wey dem take talk am for their report, as we dey bring am make una for see where e dey comot from, they said a study of the presidential results available, the forms available on IREV on the 9 March using a sample of 385 presidential forms. The study showed that 91% of the sampled result form were available on IREV on 9th March. Of them, 71% were clear and readable, and 53% were seen to be altered and intact without any manual modification. Only 31% of the presidential election results uploaded on IREV system were formally and mathematically correct, which evidence serious deficiencies in the training of the polling unit staff. Now, so dem take talk am. Now, we know say even our own lawyers, dem don tender this very something for tribunal, and even PDP tender am. Even the day wey be say dem tender this thing, their own lawyer wey be say dem dey handle the matter, dem talk to press. As dem talk to press, dem explain say the witness wey dey there wey be that same Bayo, the ICT director, the man talk am with him own mind, because dem give am the result making in. But make we first of all hear as these lawyers take talk am for that very day. Just a reminder. But again, people wey just dey join us, we dey wait for PO. Make una use this very time, make una for dey share the like, make dem know say PO time don come. Make we hear our own wetin him wan tell us today. As him talk say quarterly him go dey have meeting with us, and today that promise him don fulfill am for the second time. So make we dey like, dey share, make them know. Let's take a listen from these lawyers wey talk about the 31% and wetin ICT director talk. Let's take a listen.
I'm very happy that today the final report of an international observer group accredited duly by INEC, that is the European Union Observation Mission, their final report was today tendered and admitted in evidence by the court. And you see that the witness who came from INEC, a director from INEC, read out the findings in that report, which clearly stated that that election fell before expectation, fell below expectation, and that only 31% of what was reported was mathematically accurate. So we think that this is a very good one.
How significant is the tendering of this report, considering the fact that the witness was not the legal?
No. The important thing is it's a certified document. So that is what is very material. It doesn't matter whether it's tendered through the witness or not. The important thing is the document itself. And in law, we say the document speaks for itself. So we're very happy. Thank you.
So PO go soon join us. Now him be the matter for this time. We just they come, they talk, make we for the wait for PO to come. Once he come join that Twitter space, we go now sink in. If you get questions where we say you want make PO answer, make you for do that thing for comment section. When you do them, we go collect them. They don't give us link where we say we go they send that very information and then they go send them say this one is coming from so person from Obidate Family TV, because now Twitter space really then they do, but our own now to restream that very thing where we say then they do make everybody all obedience worldwide make them know. Now talking about this very 31% where we say EU they talk, I won't bring them how that thing take happen for court that very time. Make una for no to forget. They said that Mr. Bayode will be the assistant director in charge of ICT for INEC. The income court that very time can adopt the witness statement on oath, which was admitted in evidence. Now, during the cross-examination of that very Bayode, our lawyers do their own, Atiku lawyer do their own, because we and PDP and Atiku, we get similar contentions for that very tribunal. Now, during cross-examination of the witness, they sought to tender a copy of the EU observation report concerning the conduct of this very general election, that is the presidential. Now, they fetched a copy of the report from their document and passed it to Mr. Bayode, who is the INEC witness. Now, the lead counsel that very time will be by Fagbemi, will be APC man lawyer, as at that time, will be say we dey court. They can't object that time, we know. Say, make them no bring this EU report, enter. But he can't talk saying go give him of the letter, because that time now oppose, and then they do. But the court admit that very evidence, and then can't ask and say, make him read waiting there for inside. Now, if income start with the waiting they write for inside that very thing where we say we know and we don't talk and before, they say the 2023 general election did not ensure a well-grown, transparent and inclusive democratic process assured by INEC. We know that very one. So, and as INEC, that is the executive where they read out by Mr. Bayode, now him take him out, read them out as evidence for court. And what he read, I want to bring them as in quotes. Only 1% of the presidential election results uploaded on the IREF system were formally and mathematically correct, which evidenced serious deficiency in the training of polling unit staff. Mr. Bayode added about the EU. Now, wait to the talk. Why are we even bringing it up? We are bringing it up for us to understand the import, the major issue that is in contention here. INEC refused. They did not obey court order to bring the certified true copies of the EC8A forms. That form will be saying that their own document. When they no agree bring them, every other petitioner like Atiku, PDP, Labour Party and P2B, they relied on the IREF copies, because some people they confuse the thing. Say, waiting happen where we say would they bring blood copy to the court certified, but they fail to realize that in the absence of the main copies where we say INEC hold, or whether they don't destroy them, because now for there the main evidence there, then go certify the copies where come out from IREF, and those ones where we say come out from IREF, we know say 75% of them no they okay according to EU report. And also, waiting then they talk about that very particular 31% is the ones where we say it they correct. And there is no way INEC will be declaring results on a 31% of this thing. So let's be looking at the main issues that we have. which has to do with what is in court. So, and what is in court is presently that INEC did not give the correct score. INEC did not declare the original winner with the correct result, because all the result that has been presented to the tribunal, even the witnesses said it is blood, meaning they cannot see what is inside, and it's certified. Now, some of our people, they ask, say, our agents will be saying in their polling unit, they don't get their own. Even if you bring the one where we say they come from the polling unit agents, now INEC go still certify them. If they no stamp say it dey correct, as in CTC, certified true copy, it no go work for court. So you need to depend on the one coming from IREV, where we say INEC has no other, they no get wetin dem go do again other than to certify, because na their own document. If you carry the one wey comot from your agent, because we will carry and enter court, but na our own document. But the CTC, why dem dey talk say na CTC, certified true copy, na the one wey INEC certify, and those ones they know they clear. And from wetin EU talk, na 31% they clear. Can you give a result? Can you declare a winner with only 31% of result in a presidential election? Now things will be say I want to make way for the remember. As we dey enter the discussion with PO, make we remember say the person where we dey contend with gets $460,000 for future case for US. We make we know say he gets perjury where they for EC9 form where they for INEC. Make we know say we get plenty things where we say Wàhàla where they for inside that tribunal where we don't plead, and we go adopt them by next tomorrow will be Tuesday. Once we do that adoption, now judgment, and as we know what in the happen for country now, that very judgment where we dey talk, it don't near, and body don't they pepper them, they don't they fear. Even the ministerial nominees, when they dominate the news, especially on the mainstream media. We don't see Wike where talk say APC na cancer on the first stage. The same Wike don't begin they accept. But make we they watch the portfolio where they won't give them because of the election where he rigged for Rivers State. Again, we go also look at one, I think now waiting be named Danladi Sani Abubakar. That former person where contest for one state. I don't even forget that very state where he contest in election as a governor. But in go Supreme Court. In go Supreme Court. Okay, then they show him for screen now. Now, one of the ministerial nominee where we say Tinubu they bring, make una they check all the people where they nominate as these ministers now. This man, where we they see for screen, in name na Senator Sani Abubakar Danladi. This man gets certificate forgery. He carry matter go from a federal high court to court of appeal up to Supreme Court. This Supreme Court justice where we say he dey now, Wàhàla, in there for that very matter. And for that matter, then declare say the man lie. And now perjury this man commits. So this man now where we say he commit perjury in 2019, where they don't declare up to the Supreme Court stage. This same man suppose they jail by now, but he know they jail. Wetin dem do am, then compensate and to become minister. Make we they see wetin they happen for Nigeria for this federal government where they give now. Make we see wetin they happen, so that when we they get interaction with PO, make we they imagine say PO no go carry person wey suppose dey prison, they give am minister. Or carry people wey be say then they rig election, they give minister. We know say PO no go do that one. But anyway, I say make we use this one. They wait for PO, make it for join us, and make we they click notification, make we they like, they share, make people know say we don't come. Say Obidati Family TV, they on. With that very one, I go begin they say I will go begin they plug in to that main place where we say then they wait for PO. I go use this one. If we get another better thing where we say producer get where if you put for our people, make them for the CPO as if they come. Make them see all that thing where we say we do for that 25th of February. How crowd they everywhere. Make we they look that one. Make it they tutorial us how these things happen, so that we know say the people's president is going to sit with us today to have discussions. With that very one, I go say make we begin dey join people wey be say then they wait for PO for the other side, but make you no fail to notify your neighbor say PO won't join us for Obidate Family TV. And if you get your comment, if you get your question, make you put your name, put the comment for that side. You go transfer them through the link, go meet them, join PO for that side, so that if they go to see your answer for this thing when the live stream they go on, you go to see them for the comment section. Anything we say PO answer, you go hear them direct from PO, and also we will share them for this our platform. So make we tell other people, make them for join us. With this one, I go begin carry kaya, they come out for this very session, make we for position PO and other people will be said then go speak. Make we begin the judicate, the talk as it take be. With this one, I go say, on a bye for now.
So if you did right, wanna still leave on a comment below. If you did bad, wanna still leave on a comment below. Wanna remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much.